In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. We'll start right in your web browser. Open a new tab and head to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website. If you're prompted to sign in, choose your workspace and log in as you normally would so you land in the Slack interface. Once you're in Slack, look to the left sidebar for the Channels section. This is where all of your conversations are organized. Hover over Channels, and you'll see a small plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to start creating a new channel. A window will pop up asking for your channel name. Type a clear, concise name that makes the purpose obvious. Many teams use lowercase words separated by hyphens, like work discussion or project launch, so it's easy to read and search. Keep it short and avoid special characters or emojis in the name so it stays consistent with your workspace's naming standards. If you see any guidelines from your organization, follow those conventions here. When you're happy with the name, click Next to continue. Now you'll choose the channel's visibility. Public channels are discoverable by anyone in your workspace and are great for open collaboration, cross-team updates, and topics where transparency is helpful. Private channels are invite-only and best for sensitive discussions, limited projects, or topics that should be restricted to a specific group. Select public or private based on how widely you want the conversation to be accessible. After you've made your choice, click Create. Your new channel is now set up and ready to use. Right away, Slack gives you the option to add people. You can add everyone in your workspace if this channel is intended for broad updates or company-wide communication. This is handy for announcements or general discussions that affect the whole team. Alternatively, you can add specific people, ideal for project members, stakeholders, or any group that actually needs to be in the conversation. Use the search field to find teammates by name, then select them to add. You can add multiple people at once. When you've selected everyone you need, click Add to send the invitations and bring them into the channel. That's it. You've created a new channel, set the right visibility, and invited the right people. You're ready to start collaborating, share updates, and keep your conversations organized in one place.